Yeah, we are here. Ready? Okay, let's go. Hey, how's it going? There's one more behind me. I'm on my fourth ride on the old SRAM GX Cassette. It now has like 5,100 miles on the cassette. I've put in 100 miles on it, 4 rides, and this doesn't look like the trail. And is this the trail? Anyway, the cassette is making that, just a little bit of that grinding feel, a grinding sound. It's not as bad as the NX cassette. Actually, I actually can hear it. I can just feel it. It looks like the trail. And that's the exit, that's where we park. It's so dusty on this trail that my wife's bike is creaking. Yeah, but it's a lot better, the GX. I wonder if it has something to do with the steel body of the NX. I don't know. I think it's steel, and I think the GX is an aluminum. But honestly, I don't know. But it is a lot quieter with the GX and a lot smoother. Oh shit! I need to pay attention. Yeah. Turn off the motor and see so you can hear it. Have 14 miles on this ride. 14 miles, no noise. It's quiet, so it's good. It's been good.